The U.S. housing market in 2024 is seeing significant shifts driven by evolving demographics, affordability challenges, and technological advancements. The typical homebuyer is now 42 years old, with millennials, ages 30 to 44, making up 34% of the market. The southern U.S. remains the most popular region, attracting 43% of buyers due to its large housing inventory and affordable prices. The report highlights a disparity in home ownership among racial groups, with 67% of buyers identifying as white, while only 8% are black, despite making up 17% of the adult population. Buyers tend to have higher incomes than the national average, with a median household income of approximately $97,600, compared to the U.S. median of $74,600. Nearly half of all buyers, 46%, earn more than $100,000 annually, reflecting the increasing financial threshold for homeownership. Financing remains a key factor, with 94% of buyers securing pre-approval for a mortgage, but 31% of those buyers reported being denied at least once. Down payments are shrinking, with 48% of buyers putting down less than 20%, and down payment assistance programs are becoming more common, especially for first-time buyers and buyers of color. In fact, 52% of mortgage buyers report receiving some form of financial assistance, indicating that affordability is a growing concern. Technology plays a major role in the home buying process, with 94% of buyers using online tools such as apps or websites to search for homes. Virtual tours remain popular, with 70% of buyers saying they provide a better sense of space than photos alone. However, confidence in making an offer without an in-person visit has dropped, with only 23% of buyers feeling comfortable doing so, down from 37% last year. Technology plays a major role in the home buying process, with 94% of buyers using online tools such as apps or websites to search for homes. Virtual tours remain popular, with 70% of buyers saying they provide a better sense of space than photos alone. However, confidence in making an offer without an in-person visit has dropped, with only 23% of buyers feeling comfortable doing so, down from 37% last year. First-time buyers make up 44% of the market, a decrease from 50% in 2023. Many buyers, 63%, are now co-buying with a spouse, partner, or relative, mainly to improve affordability and mortgage approval chances. Climate risks are also playing an increasing role in buying decisions, with 73% of buyers considering factors like floods, wildfires, and extreme temperatures. Flood risks are particularly concerning, influencing 43% of buyers' decisions. In summary, the U.S. housing market in 2024 is defined by shifting buyer demographics, a strong reliance on digital tools, and rising concerns over affordability and climate risks. While higher-income households continue to drive the market, buyers are increasingly relying on co-buying strategies and financial assistance to navigate today's competitive landscape. Technology remains central to the search process, and climate-related concerns are influencing where and how people buy homes. If you found this update insightful and want to stay informed on the latest in real estate, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. And don't forget to visit our website at www.nextden.com for more resources, listings, and insights. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.